This is Better Together. It's a discussion series for educators who are looking for ways to grow their social and emotional skills, build trust with their colleagues, and collaborate more effectively. Your copy of Better Together is more than a text to be read and discussed with your team. It's a journal too. It's meant to be written in, highlighted, dog-eared, and kept as a record of your growth and insights. Each chapter starts with a page or two of text that briefly describes the topic. You'll read the text independently. Then, you'll respond to a few writing prompts that will help you prepare for your group discussion. In your small groups, you'll use the scripted discussion guide to share your reflections with one another. You'll have important and sometimes difficult conversations with your colleagues about topics like: how have our lived experiences affected the ways we teach and interact with our students and each other? What are our value systems and why do we do the things we do? How do our race, culture, and identity affect our teaching and our relationships with students? How do we react to and manage stress? And how can we get better at showing up for each other so that we can bring our very best selves to work? Through these discussions, educators will have opportunities for connection that will help form the foundation of staff relationships, build stronger social and emotional skills, and create a more collaborative school staff that can thrive when faced with any challenge. You can order copies of Better Together for each of your team members at Amazon.com.